6.8 billion people have zero interest in AI. Only 16% of the world even uses it. But within that 16%, there is an even smaller group who are actually turning it into massive time and financial savings. Look at this comparison. Typing out your daily emails manually is a slow, linear grind. But when you automate that workflow, your productivity follows this exponential curve. In the 2010s, we relied on static applications. You opened an app and you did the work yourself. In the 2020s, we rely on autonomous AI agents, systems designed to do the heavy lifting for you. Today, we are going to build your first custom AI email agent. We will configure it so you can dictate a messy, unstructured voice note, and it will instantly convert it into a perfectly formatted message. You don't need to juggle a dozen different AI tools. Mastering this one specific setup moves you past basic chat interfaces and into the specialized layer of AI deployment. Before we even build, we need to understand how the machine actually works. AI models do not comprehend human language contextually. They are mathematical prediction engines calculating highest probabilities. The AI breaks your sentence down into foundational units called tokens. It maps these tokens into a massive 3D web called the embedding space. Related words draw close together, calculating the exact probability of what comes next. Because we assume the AI understands us like a person, we make the error of push prompting. We write massive, over-explained paragraphs, pushing all the context at once. The result is a robotic, alien response. The solution is pull prompting. You step into the role of a director. You command the AI to ask you questions, pulling the exact context it needs directly from you. Treating AI as a probability engine shifts your job. You no longer write exhausting prompts. You design efficient workflows that force the AI to refine its own parameters. Step 1. Open a completely clean, new chat interface. We need a blank slate so past conversations don't interfere. Now write the initial pull prompt. Command the AI to act as an engineer. Instruct it to interview you, learning your exact communication style. To validate this is working, the AI will start interrogating you. It will ask if you prefer bullet points over numbered lists and whether your tone should be casual or highly formal. Take 10 to 15 minutes to answer every question thoroughly. The detail of your answers directly determines the accuracy of your future agent. Once the interview is complete, issue your final command. Tell the AI to compile your answers into a highly structured set of system instructions. Take that generated output and save it externally as a document. This is your master context file. This document serves as a permanent, reusable identity protocol. With this on hand, you never have to explain your writing rules to the AI again. Step 3 is the build. Navigate from your main dashboard into the Custom GPT creation menu. Assign your agent a functional name and upload a recognizable profile image. Next, locate the Instructions text box. This space acts as the core operational brain of your custom agent. Copy the text from your master context file and paste it directly into this specific configuration field. Locking the instructions behind this configuration menu isolates the agent's memory. This completely prevents the context bleed that ruins standard chat outputs. Step 4 is the execution. Open the testing pane adjacent to your configuration setup. We will test it with a chaotic input. Imagine dictating a rough, scattered voice note with missing context and run-on sentences. Feed that mess into your new agent and watch it instantly generate a polished professional email. Look at this split-screen comparison. The agent automatically applied your formatting preferences, adding bullet points and your correct sign-off without a single reminder in the test prompt. Dictating those raw facts takes just seconds, entirely replacing the extended time it takes to sit and type the draft manually. This successful execution proves the transition. You have stopped manually typing data and started successfully directing an autonomous digital employee. You have permanently reduced an hour of daily administrative typing into a 5-minute management task. By acting as the director, you have moved past endless tool hopping and built a system that guarantees consistent, high-quality outputs. This exact pull prompting and agent creation framework can be duplicated to build other specific tools, like a grammar checker, a headline writer, or report summarizers. By publishing and integrating this agent, you have moved beyond using AI and have begun building your own proprietary workflows for delegating daily administrative work.